What is physics? Let's discuss this article. It is the study of matter, energy, and their mutual interaction. In the next section, we will see the importance of physics. There is no such field of life where physics is not used. It is used in electric fans. You can see as in this diagram, electric motors. You can see here in the given diagram. It is also used in means of transportations. You can see here the example is given and the diagram. Household appliances such as refrigerator. You can see example is given in the diagram, and air conditioner. You can see in the diagram like this, and vacuum cleaner. You can see in the given diagram like this.